Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. The final topic in Cauchy integral is Cauchy Residue theorem. That is, if you want to solve the function by Cauchy's residue theorem means we have to know the formula of Cauchy residue theorem. That is integral over C f of z dz equal to, we can write 2 pi I into sum of the residue. Sum of the residue. Now we need to know the formula of residue. Residue formula is 1 by m minus 1 factorial limit z tends to a d power m minus 1 by d z power m minus 1 into z minus a whole power m into f of z. So this is the formula. So before entering into this formula and all, we should know for what is residue, how we have to find the residue for the given terms. So now we are having here modulus of z equal to 2 is here circle. So modulus of z equal to 2 in the sense, we can write this as a x plus iy. Already I said z in the sense x plus iy equal to 2. So we can make 0, 0 as our center and radius is 2. So now we have to plot a graph. So for plotting a graph, 0, 1, 2, here also 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. So 0, 0 is the center and 2 is radius. So we have to plot a proper circle. Now we have to check the terms are inside the circle or outside the circle. First one, 2z plus 3 equal to 0. So we can make here 2z equal to minus 3, z equal to minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 in the sense it will come around here. So lies inside this circle. Like the same way, z minus 1 equal to 0. So z equal to 1. So z equal to 1 also lies inside this circle. But this is a simple pole. So simple pole in the sense if you are having power 1 means that is a simple pole. But here we are having the order 2. So we have to write here lies inside the circle. Lies inside the circle of order 2. So totally we have to find our two residues. First I am going to find the residue 1. So residue 1, what is the formula? 1 minus m minus 1 factorial. So m value is 1 here. So 1 by, we can write 1 minus 1 factorial limit, we can say that z tends to minus 1.5. Then we can say d bar 0 by dz bar 0. Then we can write here as a z minus 2 into z plus 3 whole power 1 into, we can write 12z minus 7 divided by 2z plus 3 into z minus 1 the whole square. So this and this will get cancelled. So after cancelling it, we have to write 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 factorial value is 1. So we can write here simply limit z tends to minus 1.5. So anything below 0 is 1. So we need not to do any differentiation. Simply we are having 12 into z minus 7 divided by z minus 1 whole power 2. So now wherever we are having z, we have to replace it by minus 1.5. So replace it 2 into minus divided by, we can replace by minus 1.5 minus 1 the whole square. So after doing the calculation, we are getting minus 1.07 we are getting it. So this is here residue 1. Like the same way we have to move for our residue 2. So for residue 2, how we can go means we can make here m value is 1. So we get here 1 factorial limit z tends to 0. That is second value is z equal to 1. So z tends to 1. Then we can make here d